Hi guys, welcome to Taste to Explore. My name is Darlene, and today on this episode I have for you something really healthy to eat. We are making kale chips. Now if you are the type that likes to crunch on like potato chips and something fatty, and you know you're not supposed to because you're dieting, well, I have for you these kale chips. They are really easy to put together, and you can season it up any way you want. Right now I'm just going to show you my basic way, and it's full of flavor and it's really good for you because kale is a good source of iron, so you are not going to feel guilty, not one bit, eating these. And I'm going to show you how to get that started. So now let's begin. Okay guys, now let's begin. First and foremost, preheat your oven on 350. Now right here I have a cookie sheet, and inside I have some kale. This is fresh kale right from the stem, and how you do that is after you finish rinsing off your kale and making sure they're pat dry, you're just going to rip it out from the stem. This is the stalk that we're not going to eat, but we're just going to remove it just like that. Make sure it's in a single layer, because it can't be overlapping each other. And try your best. If they're bigger pieces, you want to kind of leave them a little whole, only because as they cook they're going to wilt down and it's going to look almost to nothing. So you might want to make a few batches and have another cookie tray out. Alright, so once that is done, we have here is some virgin olive oil, extra virgin, and I have salt and pepper and granulated garlic. That is all I'm going to be using today. So right now, after you have washed and removed the stems, we are just going to put the olive oil first. And you just going to need maybe a tablespoon or less, depending on how much you're making. And this is just going to give it some texture. It's gonna crisp up and not be so dry. And you just want to massage it through to make sure that all of them are covered in the olive oil. And we're not going to put the salt and pepper just yet. We're gonna bake this first because the salt is going to draw out moisture, and we don't want that. So fix it up again, making sure it's a single lined, nothing is piling up. Okay, so this is going to bake in the oven for 20 minutes. On the 10-minute mark, halfway through, after you flip it over, and you just allow it to cook in the remaining 10 minutes. Okay guys, so this is going to bake for 10. Okay guys, so this is going to bake for 20 minutes. On the halfway mark, you just want to turn it and make sure everything is cooking even on both sides, and then allow it to cook in the remaining time, and I'm going to show you how that looks when we come back. Alright guys, so welcome back. I just took my kale chips out the oven, so you're going to want to wait between 18 to 20 minutes depending on your oven. Right here, my seasoning blend, I'm just going to mix together. I'm just using regular table salt, black pepper, and granulated garlic, and I'm just going to sprinkle it now when it's still warm, and just took it out the oven. And then that's it. Simple, easy, great snack. Definitely very low to no calories. Great way to get your greens in, you know. And hear this. You hear it? It is phenomenal. Just give it a little toss. You can put it in a Ziploc bag and take it to work or whenever you want a little snack. Okay, I'm ready to do my taste test. Alright guys, so now that you know how to make kale chips, you can make them anytime you want. They're pretty easy to make, very cheap if you make them at home. If you buy them in one of those health food stores, chances are you're going to be spending like $8 to $10 on a bag of something that you can make for like $2 to $3 or less. They're easy. You can season them up with whatever you like. It's a great way to get your iron in. Enjoy something crunchy, something savory, and it's totally delicious. It is easy to make. I've been snacking on this for a long time already. I couldn't wait to show you a video of it. But now that you know, make this and enjoy, so that way you don't have to feel guilty about eating healthy foods. So guys, I'm enjoying my snack. I'm going to pack up for work tomorrow. And I will see you again. Thank you so much for joining me in my kitchen today. It's always a pleasure having you cook along with me. Make this. Don't forget to follow me on my social media sites. And that's it. Enjoy the rest of your day. Take care. Bye-bye.